Allow me to introduce myself.
Hi guys, Shabas back with another video. So in this video, we are going to talk about Xiaomi's new device, the Redmi Note 7. So before starting the video, make sure you hit the subscribe button and turn on the notifications. So let's get started. So let's start with the display. So the display is IPS LED capacitive touchscreen with 6.3 inches. It's also come with a Gorilla Glass protection of 5, and the platform or the OS using in this device is Android 9.0, that means Pie, and the MIUI version coming on is MIUI 10. The chipset is Qualcomm STM 660 Snapdragon 660 and 2.2 GHz powerful CPU is inside this phone. Adreno 512 is the GPU used in this device, and you can use 2 SIMs and an SD card on the same slot. I mean, it's an hybrid SIM slot, and the micro SD card can be used up to 256 GB in the second SIM slot. So the phone is coming with 2 different variations. The first with 64 GB internal with 4 GB RAM, and the 32 GB internal with 3 GB RAM. So moving to the best part of this phone, its camera, and the rear camera in this device is 48 megapixel. Yeah, you heard that right. It's coming with the 48 megapixel rear camera plus a 5 MP depth sensor shooter, and the features mainly for the camera is dual LED flash HDR panorama, and you can record HD video in this device. So the selfie shooter is 13 megapixel with HDR and 30 frame rate per second. So headphone jacks with 3.5 mm jack with loudspeaker, and secondary noise cancellation mic is also in this device. So major other functions are LAN, Bluetooth, GPS, infrared port, USB radio. So the USB is 2.0 is supported on this device. And moving to the sensor, it's a fingerprint sensor, approximator, gyro, proximity compass sensors. So the battery is non-removable Leopold 4000 milliamp hour battery. Fast charging is supported on this device, and it's come with 3 models like blue, black and the gold. So the price is not yet given, but it will be within 150 euro, as in the Indian price about 11,000 rupees. So that's for this quick video. So make sure you hit the subscribe button and support us, and we will make a new good videos for you. So that's it for this video, and this is Shabas, and see you in my next.
Make sure you hit the subscribe button. Also click on the notification icon. Have a nice day.